Hi, Mom and Sir. My name is Gerlita Nalion, 43 years old from Philippines. I'm college level. I'm a widow and I have two sons, ages 18 years old and 20 years old. And I have work experience in Kuwait since 2014 to 2016. I serve four members of the family, one couple and two children, ages 4 years old and 9 years old. I do cooking, washing of clothes, cleaning of house, ironing, marketing, gardening, preparing food, and take care of children. And also, I have work experience in Philippines since 2020 to 2025. I serve three members of the family, one couple, and one baby, 6 months old. I do cleaning of house, preparing food, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, gardening, and take care of baby. And also, I want to take good care of newborn baby, toddlers, children, and elderly. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money, to give financial support to my family, and to the education of my two sons in college. Dear Mom and Sir, if you choose me as your helper, I'm a honest person, trustworthy, and hardworking, and I serve your family as my own. I will finish my contract, and as long as you need me, I will stay. Thank you, and have a good day.